Hello and welcome back. In today's session from SQL Hunters, we will be learning what is VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It signifies VLOOKUP searches data vertically across the selected columns. Please make a note here. It searches data vertically, not horizontally. For horizontal search, there's a different function that Excel provides. I'll be making a different video on that very soon. So the formula or the syntax of VLOOKUP. It accepts four parameters. The first parameter says lookup value. Lookup value is the value that you want to search. Table array is the second parameter. Table array says is the this is the area or the data from where your search would be conducted. So table array is the area or the data from where your search would be conducted. Now the column index or the column number is the third parameter. So this is the column number against your corresponding lookup value that you want to fetch out. So I'll be explaining this once we'll be working on Excel. Fourth parameter it accepts is range lookup. So there are two matching modes here, the approximate match and the exact match. So both of them are self-explanatory. If you want the exact match, you'll pass on 0. If you want an approximate match, you'll pass on 1. Let's move on to Excel. So here's the data with some labeling. So very first thing here is the column index. So the topmost row, this is not our data, this is for your understanding, and this is the column index that I had talked about in my previous slide. Table array is the data from where you want your search to be conducted. So let's see, these are the request numbers. Against these request numbers, I want to see the close date, the status, and the time spent. So first I'll see if these requests exist in this table array or not. So let's try. Equals to VLOOKUP. This is my lookup value, and then it is asking for table array. So this is my table array. Please observe at formula bar, I have applied a reference here. A dollar sign has popped up. That means no matter if you copy paste this formula to the next cells, your reference to this table array would not change. It is important that every time a value is being searched, it should iterate through the entire table array. Now, moving on to the next parameter, it's column index. So as I told you, column index is the number of column, the index of the column against your request, your search value you want to fetch out. So let's say I want to see here, I'm just checking if these values are valid. So I can simply apply pass on 1 and it will give me the request number if it exists. Here, exact match. So yes, this request number exists in this data. So let me copy paste this value, this formula, and all of these values, the request numbers are in this table array. So now, same way I can populate my close date equals to VLOOKUP. The request number, the search value or the date lookup value remains the same. Again, table array remains the same. Please observe my formula bar, a dollar sign is being put. For this, you can simply press F4, then the column index. For close date, column index is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I want the exact match. Similar way, I can populate my status, VLOOKUP, lookup value remains the same, table array, and again observe here on the formula bar, it's F4, and then status is on third column index 1, 2, 3. So I'll supply here 3, and I want exact match for this. Similar way, let's try for time spent, lookup value remains the same, table array remains the same, F4, and then table index is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Time spent is on 6th number, so I'll pass on 6. And I want the exact match for this. Let's copy paste these values, these formulas, and here is the data that we want to populate against these request numbers. So this is it about VLOOKUP. Please let me know if there are any doubts or clarifications are required. Thank you for your time. Please hit like, subscribe and share the channel.